everyone. How are we doing today? So, here's my thought of the moment. If any of y'all are, tired of these high polished, outdoor videos on YouTube, and you want somebody who's more like you, then I think I'm your guy. Now, my outdoor videos are maybe not everybody's cup of tea, but they're raw and they're authentic. Now, not all my videos are going to be of me going out there and catching, 10, 15, 20 pound bass. I'm not going to even lie. Some of my videos, I may not catch any fish at all. But you know what? I'm having fun. I'm filming. I'm in the outdoors. I'm just outdoor doing what every normal man would want to do. So, enjoy this video. The little video I put together of me trying to trout fish for the very first time. And if you like authentic outdoor videos that can be fun, can be laughable, can be sad. If you want a sad video, watch this video over here of my lake going dry. So, enjoy the video. And please, if you like my stuff, maybe give me a little bit of maybe hit that subscribe button for old J&P Outdoors. Thank y'all, and enjoy.
Got a new rod and I got some.
Damn it.
Running away is easy. It's the leaving that's hard. Running away is easy. It's the living that's hard.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I should be able to, yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, it looks promising, but she's also low as hell, boys, girls, anglers, subscribers, who's ever watching this. Oh God. Oh no, what if nobody watches my videos? Oh yeah, nobody's watching them anyways. Yeah, except for the, 30 or 32 of y'all that always wash in, which I greatly appreciate. You know, believe me, I do appreciate. I'm really hoping that this gets some views. That looks nice. What do you think? Think there's any fish in there? No, more like snakes. More like snakes. And no, I don't have a whatchamacallit. Oh, screw it. That's all. Let's put these here. And okay. Goddamn wind knot. Hold on, boys. Stupid. Yeah. See, this is why you don't. Oh, I'm an idiot. I should have ripped some of this off myself. Yeah. Damn it. Uh-oh. Do not tell me. Yes. Well, just my bait. Just my bait. She's pretty, boys, isn't she? Oh, yeah. She's gorgeous. Wish I knew how to fly fish. see a turtle over there. But honestly, I'm not really seeing what I would like to see. There we go.